Hello, loves. I have a product review just in time for your New Year's organization projects. Lusuavy, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly, reached out to me to do a product review on one of their items. You can find a variety of their products on Amazon, from beauty items to electronics. The product I will be reviewing for you today are their chalkboard labels. The labels are described as multi-purpose dry labels that works great on glass jars, bottles, boxes, canisters, and folders, just to name a few. We will be trying a variety of these containers just to see how well they work. At first look, you'll see a variety of sizes here. We have 48 pieces in the large size, 30 pieces in the medium size, and 18 pieces in the small. The labels are claimed to be made of premium quality vinyl with a matte finish. The finish gives it an authentic chalkboard look, and it claims to be safe for children and pets. It also claims to be endlessly reusable. Now this I must try, because we all know when we make mistakes on these chalkboard labels, they leave a ghost-like appearance if you try to wipe it off and erase it to reuse again. Okay, I have a variety of containers and folders to use these labels on. So first it said we need to be on a smooth surface so this will write smoothly. And the labels itself is not shiny. That's one good thing I like about it, because it actually looks authentic, like a chalkboard kind of finish on here. And we are going to try this small label. I have some glitter here in this glass jar. And you see it's a little faded, but we shall see how it looks. I don't know if it's getting darker as it sits. Let's go over it again and see what happens. That's much better. Okay, so that's much better writing on there. This shows up pretty good. So that's the that's for this one. We're gonna try a bigger label. We'll like that one. And this one would be for this container, which is a little bit bigger. Yeah, just like the first time, it does come out faded when you write on the label, but it is clear enough for you to read that. I like mine to be a little bit whiter, so I will go over it again. And it could be the pen too. If you have your own chalk pen, which I will use on here, just to see, will it do a better job. Okay, we are done writing all the labels on each of these items. We have a paper box. We also have folder, a plastic container, and 2 glass containers. So now it claims that you should be able to wipe this writing off and reuse it. So we are going to take this paper box here. And it says all we need to do is use a damp rag, and we're going to see how well this comes off. Now normally when you write on one of these chalkboard labels, like I said, it leaves a ghost-like appearance behind. So we're going to see how well this does. So I'm not applying any hard pressure. I'm just wiping off. And as you look closer, you can see a small amount of ghost-like appearance. But we're going to wipe again with the dry end of the cloth, and now the ghost-like appearance. You may see it faintly, but I'm thinking as it dries, it disappears. So we are going to do the rest of these. This is on the plastic container. and I can see that ghost-like image, but I'll continue to wipe, and as I wipe, it disappears. Very, very faint. You can see a little of it, but not as bad as some labels. So we try it on this glass container here. Now, as I'm using this damp rag, I'm looking for some puckering. These are not puckering. I don't see any puckering on there. And the ghost-like appearance, I don't see on this one at all. So now it claims that you could be able to reuse the label by peeling it off and reapplying it. So we are going to try this box here. And we're going to peel this off, and it comes right off without much effort. Not bad at all. And you can apply this. Let's see. I'm going to apply it on this glass here. And it sticks just like it was when it was new. It sticks and it comes off. It writes better the second time. I don't know why. It's like a black skillet. You're conditioning it. The more you use it, the better the writing is on the label itself. Each time that I use it, you can see it gets better and better with the writing. So this is the plastic one. Now the plastic one has a label under here, and I just wanted to see, will it peel off the label under here? And as I peel this off, it doesn't seem like it is. Yeah, it just comes right off without disturbing the label that was under there. Just look at that, how sticky that is. You can just apply it right back on. The folder, let's try that. Let's see if we can peel this off easily. Yep, and it comes right off, and it's still just as sticky. Just as sticky when you put it back on here. So I'm thinking this is a product that I would be happy with. So far it passed my test as far as chalkboard labels. The complete kit has 96 premium reusable chalkboard stickers with a white chalkboard marker. The cost for the kit is $8.99, but you can get a 25% off deal when you use the code in the description box below. I give this product a 4-star only because I don't like the chalkboard marker. I like my marker to be a little bit whiter on the chalkboard labels. But the labels itself, they are very high quality labels, and I do like them. I am planning to use these labels in my craft room to label my embellishment and fillers and other items. Hopefully I've inspired you to start your organization projects this year. Until then, I'll see you on the next video. Smooches!